Hi, little birdie. Hi, little birdie. It's a cockatiel.
Oliver decided to land in the water, the dog's water bowl.
Aww.
Awesome. Sorry, Joe.
Okay.
He was on my shoulder, and I said, "Okay, hang on," because I dropped something on the floor. So I went down like this,
Mm-hmm.
and all of a sudden I feel this.
Okay. Oh no. Splat. Don't underestimate the power of that left jugular. Oh, but that one's gorgeous. Dude!
Aww.
Remember who you're talking to. Well, I can do it. Okay, awesome. That's all you needed to CBC?
Yeah, just a BBC.
Good. Chemistry was fine when Dodo was here the other month. Hi. I'm Vanna White.
You're gonna be famous.
Yeah, really.
That's your sparkly dress, then.
Yeah, no. That would just be wrong.
You bleeding again?
Yeah.
All right.
Bruising from this time and bruising from last time.
I think you should lay off the coke then.
But no.